Alright guys, we're going to start math this morning. We're going to start with, were we doing that thing with the X? Or were we doing the thing with the dot in between number? Yeah, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't remember what we're doing in math. You think you guys can just help me? Help me out here? Anyone? Please? Alright guys, you know what? I'm just going to sit back here and you guys can just show me everything we've done this year. Because I don't know how else to fix this problem. I don't remember what we're doing. I think I taught you guys. How about you just show me? Alright? Nate, can you go start with with that thing we did at the beginning of the year? Whatever that thing was at the beginning of the year? I think you remember. Just go. Just go. Action.
Today we're gonna learn how to write numbers in 3 different ways. Standard form. A number written with 1 digit for each place. So I'm gonna have to write the numbers in word form. The numbers.
What number are you writing in standard form?
1,234,532.
Wow, that's a big number.
Now I'm going to write the numbers into word form. A number written with words. So I'm going to copy this but write them in words. So now I'm going to write the numbers in explaining form. A number written to show the value of each digit.
Nice work, Nate.
Less than is a small number value.
Is a what?
A number.
With a?
Small value.
With a smaller value. Got it.
Greater than. A number that's bigger, that has a bigger value.
Ready to do the dot.
How are you guys going to compare these numbers?
We're going to see what number is the bigger or less.
Okay. How are you guys going to do that?
We're going to do
Do a dot.
Alright, let me see what you're going to do. So what do you guys see?
7 is bigger than 6.
How do you know that?
Because we did, the 7 has way more dots than 6. Because it has 3. The 7 has one more number.
Then 6.
Yeah, one more
Okay,
number.
so what are you guys going to write in the circle?
We're going to have to do the greater sign.
Oh, so that says that 6 is less than 7.
Yes.
Got it.
So for the bottom piece that we're
Are you going to do dots for that one? That would be a lot of dots.
Yeah.
Oh, so what are you going to do?
So we're going to put the number on top of each other.
Let me see what you're talking about.
So we're going to check if the numbers are going to be the same.
We're looking the
Oh, these two are the same.
tens. No, the thousands. 10.
Wait, so you're looking in the thousands place? Why the thousands place?
No, in the 10,000.
Is that the 10,000 place?
No, in the 1,000.
Oh, you're looking in the 1,000s place.
Yeah.
Why?
And that's the
Because
same.
we gotta look for the greater number.
Okay, so you're going to look in the highest place value to see which number is greater or less than. All right, so what do you see?
So we see the ones first. So we look at the ones.
That's the same.
The twos.
We're looking the
twos.
that place.
The twos.
The same.
And
The thousands place not the same.
Wait, so you looked at the ones in the thousands place and they're the same.
Yes.
And then you looked at the twos in the hundreds place and they're still the same.
yeah,
So how do you find out which one's greater or less than?
we gotta check these two. Oh, this is different. These are different.
So you look at the tens place and what do you see?
We see a 3 and a 4, and a 4 and a 5.
So in the tens place, what do you see that, which is greater?
1,245 is greater than 1,234.
Okay. So does it matter that there's a 5 in the ones place and a 4 in the other ones place?
Yeah.
Yes.
Does that matter? Or does it just matter the higher place value?
The high. It matters the high place value.
Oh, so it doesn't matter that there's a 5, that 1,245 has a 5 in the ones place, because we already determined in the tens place that 1,245 is greater.
Yeah.
Got it. All right. Nice work.
Taught us how to round to the nearest thousand. Okay, you want to try?
Oh yeah. So we underline the 1 and put the 0. Put a circle on the 3 and then put the arrow
Hey Victor, why are you underlining the 1?
so it can go. So this the number it's the thousands. So this is telling me that I need to go down because Mr. Thierry told us how do we go round up, give round five, give it a shove. So we have.
Wait, so if it's 5 or above, you do what?
If it's 5 or above,
You give it a what?
a shove.
And what if it's below 5?
You leave it alone.
Okay, so what would you get on that problem?
So 1,342 is like right over here. So as you can see that 1,342 is near 1,000. So we leave it alone.
Oh, so it's closer to 1,000 than it is 2,000.
Yes.
So what would you write as your answer?
1,000.
Oh, I get it. Can I start?
Oh yeah.
So first, same thing like you did. Underline, right?
Yeah.
You circle. But wait. What I do, I go 1, 6, 4, 3. So that means 1,643. So I just do. So it's nearest to the 1,000. So I put.
Oh, so because that one's closer to 2,000, we round up to 2,000
Yeah.
instead of 1,000. Got it.
Yes. Now I get it. Is it 2,000?
What about that last one? What would you do there?
I will do what will do the last one?
What happens when it's in the middle like that?
Well, I just
For 1,500, where would that round to?
it will round to 2,000
Why?
because the 6 is nearest to the 2,000.
But we're talking about the 1,500.
Yeah. Because you're talking about that. Sorry there. So you underline, circle again, like that one. Finally, you go right here. So I don't know, but my teacher said this. If you see 1,500, it equals 2,000. So
Oh, because they decided that since it's in the middle, we would round up.
yeah. Just a
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice work.
Thank you.
Wow, you guys really know your stuff. What was that thing that we did with operations or something like that? well, the thing with the X. Kirby, can you go and explain? Can you do that? I think that you did well with that. Thank you. Out there.
2 times 3.
Okay. What's a strategy you can use? Can you draw a picture to help you?
Yes,
Oh, how would you do that?
I can use the dot.
What did you draw there?
The dot.
But how'd you do that? Why'd you circle 2 groups of 3?
Because it's 2. I need to do 2 groups.
2 groups of how many?
3.
Oh! Okay, keep going. So what would your answer be with that strategy?
6.
6. Do you have any other strategies?
Yes.
What could we do?
Count by 2.
I could skip count by 2?
Yes.
Show me that.
2, 4, 6.
And how'd you know that we had to stop skip counting?
3.
Oh, because you skip counted 3 times?
Yes.
Oh, so what 2 times 3 is what? What's your final answer? Can you write that down?
Okay.
Awesome work. Thanks, Kirby.
When you multiply, you have to repeat. So first I have to do 6 times 2, and it's going to be 12. You already know that, guys. So it's going to be 12. I have to do a strategy here. So it's 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now I do the 2 at the bottom, I put the 1 at the top.
Why'd you put the 1 on the top?
Because the 1 is the tens place and the 2 is the down, so that means it's the ones.
Oh, so the 2 stays in the 1's place, and you had to carry the 1 over or regroup it to the 10's place. Got it.
And finally, I do 2 times 1, but I can't put 2 right now. So I have to see at the top, I have 1. So I add the 2, and it's going to be 3. So the answer is 32.
Oh, okay. That 1 you carried over just gets added.
Yes.
I got it. Thank you.
I'm going to show you how to do 2 by 2 multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. Put the 1 up here and put the 2 down there. The only reason we have to put the 1 on there because the 1s can only hold 1 number in each of the places.
Oh, the place value can only have 1 unit in it?
Yes.
Okay.
So 1 times 3 equals 3. Add 1 more is 4. Then we put a 0 down here, so it holds that place value. And then we move on to the 1. 1 times 4. Don't forget to circle that so you don't get confused. 1 times 4 equals 4. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. Then you have to add it. 2 times 0 is 2. 4 times 4 is 8. Then 1 times 0 is 1.
Henry, did you multiply those at the bottom or did you do something else?
We added them.
Okay, so you meant add them. Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Nice work. Huh, you guys really know your multiplication. Must have been because I taught you when I remembered how to do this. But anyway, wasn't there another operation we went over where it was like the opposite of multiplication? Where we like put things in groups or something like that? I think it was called division, maybe? Maddie, you wanna help me out with that one? I think you did okay with that. Can you just go up there and help me out? Thanks.
When we start division, we solve some small problems. I have 6 divided by 2 equals an answer. So let me show you some strategy that you can use to solve it. So you can do 6 dots and put them into groups. That shows me I have 3. You can also count by 2, 3, 4, 6. That also shows me 3. So now we know the answer can be 3. And to check that, we can do 2 times 3 equals 6.
That's so cool. It's like division's the opposite of multiplication.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Maddie. Action.
Sometimes when we divide, we have we're gonna work on 7 divided by 2. So we have 7 dots here. We're gonna divide it into 2 groups.
And you're going to divide it into 2 groups, or you're going to make groups of 2?
Groups of 2, yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
What are you going to do now?
One group left.
You have 1 group left?
1 dot left. Then
Wait, so what are you going to do if you can't make another group of 2?
So we circled 3 of them, and there were 2 groups of 2. So this equals 3, and with 1 left is remainder 1.
Oh, so you just write it as a remainder?
Yeah.
Okay. Javid, what's the other one? How do you solve that one?
So 68 divided by 8.
You're not going to make 68 dots, are you?
No, that'll take a little while. But we can count by 8. That's a really good strategy.
All right, let me see.
So you can count by 8 only 8 times.
What happens if you do it more than 8?
If you do it more than 8, you're not gonna be halfway close to 68.
Show me. Let's see if we can figure out what you're talking about.
Okay. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 55.
55?
56. 64. Then you stop here. See?
Why? What happens if you go again?
Okay, so let's try this. 72. So if you go again, you're past 68.
Oh, okay.
So you have to be a number that's close to 68.
Okay. So would we just get rid of the 72?
Yes.
Okay. That makes sense. So wait, but we didn't get 68. What are we going to do?
We have to count 4 more to reach 68.
Oh, because 64 plus 4 is what?
64 plus 4? That's 68. I didn't even need to do the math.
Oh, okay. So what was your final answer going to be?
So my answer is 8. And my remainder, it's 4. Because I counted 4 times to reach 68.
Oh, and can't we check that by doing 8 times 8? Or something like that?
8 times 8?
Let's try.
Yeah, 8 times 8.
Let's try to check it. Oh, but wait. But we didn't get 68.
Yeah, because 64. So we reached 64. Then we counted 4 more times to reach 68.
Oh, so show me that. Add 4 to that, and let's see if we get our answer. If we get what we started with.
More times.
You mean 4 plus? Did we add or multiply?
We times 4 more, then we got 68.
Wait, is times the thing with the groups, or did we add more?
We add more.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Turns out division isn't always short and sweet. I'm going to show you long division. So here we have 84 divided by 7. So you do 8 divided by 7. We're going to do the dots, or you can use your fingers. So you would put it in 7 groups, and it would only make 1. So you put the 1 on top, then you times that. You obviously know it equals 7. Subtract that, and then we obviously know here it would equal a 1. And then you bring the 4 down, and you do 14.
Maddie, after you brought it down, why'd you go back to division?
Oh, because you're supposed to repeat it because,
Got it. Okay.
and then you get a 2 because you obviously know 2 times 7 equals 14. So then you would do, so you go 2 to the top, then you do 2 times 7 equals 14, because when I told you the opposite of it, it equals 14. Subtract that, a 0.
Awesome. That's so cool. Thanks, Maddie.
Welcome.
Oh, did you see that? That Maddie really knows her division, huh? Hope you were paying attention because that was good stuff right there. Wow, I'm impressed. Wasn't there something with like where the numbers have a dot? You don't know what I'm talking about. What was that thing with the numbers? There was a dot. Like to the one side of it, there were whole numbers. To the other side, they were like parts of a whole or something like that. Can someone go explain some of that stuff to me? Yeah, go ahead.
This year we learned how to convert fractions into decimals. We put the 0 in the ones place because we don't have holes. So our denominator is 10, so we need to go to the tens place and then put the 2 because 2 tens is in the tens place. So I need to put 2. And another problem is 3 over 100, 800. So we need to go in the denominator, 100, so we go in the hundreds place. So we go put the 0 because I don't have any holes. So I put the point there, and then I see that I have a 3 here, so I need to put another 0 and put a 3. Now we need to go 4 over 1,000. As you see, there's too many zeros there, so we need to put a 0 here because we don't have no holes. So we need to put this point here and put 2 zeros and put the 4 in the thousands.
Nice job, Victor.
Today we're going to work on 0.2. So the 2 is in the tens place. So I know 2 goes into 10. And that's why I also know that 2 goes out of 10. So the answer is going to be 2 out of 10. Then the next one, so right now we're going to do 0.13, and the 3 is in the hundredths place. So it goes out of 100. So it goes out of 100. So when you hear the hundreds, that means it's go out of 100. So it's 13 out of 100. So then finally, we're on thousands, and this time the 3's in the thousands place. So now as it's in the thousands, we know it goes into the thousands place because it's out of 100. It's out of 1,000. So it's 123. 1,000.
Javid, I think I get it. So is that first one telling me that I have 2 out of the 10 I need to make a whole?
Yes.
So are you telling me that 0.13 tells me that I have 13 out of 100 pieces I need to make one whole?
Yes.
And that 0.123 is telling me that I have 123 pieces out of 1,000 I need to make a whole?
Yes.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you, Javid.
Today I am going to explain how to run current
decimals into mixed numbers. A mixed number contains a whole number in a fraction. 1.7 goes out of 10. 2.23 goes out of 100. 3.314 goes out of 1,000.
Oh, Henry, it's like what Javid did, but you took the numbers in the ones place and wrote them as whole numbers. Huh, that's really cool. Now that you guys helped me refresh on my math, me and all my friends are going to start practicing so that I can remember how to teach you guys tomorrow. All right? Be ready.